I'm Steve from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. In today's video, we uncover the allure of board and batten siding and determine whether it's the right siding choice for your home. What is board and batten siding? If you're unfamiliar with board and batten siding, it's a style that features wide vertical boards with smaller strips of wood or vinyl placed over the gap between them. This creates a distinctive, timeless look that adds character and charm to any home. But beyond its aesthetic appeal, there are other reasons why board and batten siding might be the right choice for you. The history of board and batten siding dates back to the 19th century when it was used primarily on agricultural buildings. The vertical boards provided strength and durability while the battens helped protect the structure from the elements. Benefits of board and batten siding. Durability. A fortress of resilience, its upright boards form the foundation, fortified by the battens. It's a great defender against time and the elements, and it stands as a testament to longevity. Versatility. Whether your domain embraces the traditional or the contemporary, board and batten siding's clean lines breathe life into any architectural narrative. Energy efficiency. The vertical alliance enhances insulation, regulating your home's inner climate and wards off energy wastage. Low maintenance. Unlike its counterparts that crave regular touch-ups, board and batten siding thrives with a modest care routine. Timeless charm. From rustic to contemporary, it weaves timeless aesthetics into your home's fabric. Drawbacks of board and batten siding. While board and batten siding has many advantages, it's important to consider the potential disadvantages as well. One major drawback of board and batten siding is the cost. It can be more expensive than other siding styles like traditional lap siding. However, many homeowners find that the durability and timeless appeal of board and batten siding justify the higher upfront investment. Factors to consider when choosing exterior siding. Climate and weather conditions. The climate of your area play a significant role in the longevity and performance of your siding. For example, if you live in an area with harsh winters or frequent rain, you'll want to choose a siding material that can withstand these conditions without deteriorating or requiring excessive maintenance. Maintenance and durability. Consider how much time and effort you're willing to invest in maintaining your siding. While some materials and styles require regular maintenance, others are virtually maintenance-free. Additionally, you'll want to choose a durable siding option that can withstand the elements and resist damage from pests or rot. Cost and budget. Exterior siding can vary significantly in price, so it's essential to set a budget and stick to it. While board and batten siding may have a higher upfront cost, it could potentially save you money in the long run by providing better insulation and durability. Aesthetic preferences. Your home's exterior should reflect your personal style and complement the architectural design of your property. So take the time to explore different siding materials and styles to find the one that resonates with you. Is board and batten siding right for you? By considering the factors mentioned above and exploring the pros and cons of board and batten siding, you'll be well equipped to make an informed choice for your project. Board and batten siding is a great option for any homeowner who wants a durable siding with a historical look. Whether you ultimately decide on board and batten siding or another option, the key is to find a siding that suits your needs and brings out the best in your home's exterior. Want to learn more about different siding styles to find the best one for you? The article linked above and below will outline 9 popular styles of exterior siding so you can know that options are out there and find the right style for your home. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.